Today's the day where we are going to see new things. We are here on the edge of Glacier National Park, Kalispell, and today we're going to be jumping the border into Canada. The weather isn't ideal, but it should be improving throughout the day. We're going to try and cover about 600 miles today. We've got full fuel, super positive attitudes. Now we just need the weather to cooperate and we'll actually have a pretty stellar day. Matt is currently on the phone with Customs to make sure that everything runs smoothly.
You want to do 835?
Yeah, let's do 835. That'd be great.
Okay. All right, any other changes?
That's it. Thank you so much. So we just amended our flight plan into Customs into Canada. When we cross the border, we want to go check out Glacier National Park. We're in the area, and I don't want to be rushed on this trip, so this is our trip. So we amended that plan to fly into Canada 45 minutes. Next 45 minutes, we're gonna go check out all these mountains we've never seen from the sky. It should be pretty cool. Here we go.
Glacier Tower, helicopter November 966 Alpha Juliet.
Helicopter 966 Alpha Juliet, Glacier Tower.
Yeah, we're at the Glacier Jet Center. We're looking for a VFR north departure from present position with whiskey.
Helicopter 6 Alpha Juliet, north departure approved. Departure and ramp be at your own risk, wind 160 at 13.
Departure at own risk to the north for 966 Alpha Juliet.
Today, our plan is to fly through Glacier National Park, the touchdown in Creston, where we'll contact Canadian Customs. Then, hopefully, we'll be able to carry on west all the way to Campbell River.
Maybe fly close to shore.
I'm with you. The road goes on that side. Do we want to fly the road or should we fly this side? We would have a road to land on at least.
Yeah, maybe the road.
I just don't want everyone. That is whipping on those mountains, so we could have some nasty, crazy stuff coming down this canyon.
After entering Glacier National Park, the 30-knot winds and mountainous terrain force us to retreat. And in my case,
Just gonna open the window a little bit to give us some fresh air. It doesn't smell bad. It does smell just like barbecue chips. Is it leaking anywhere?
No. Solid bag of chips. Well, that's why you don't film during turbulence. Oh, first taste of Canada. Real nice. Be even better if I didn't have the pukies.
Yeah, it's kind of sucky. Am I clear on my blades?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is 966 Alpha Juliet, just reporting my arrival to Creston Airport in Canada.
You guys, so you're all set to go. Have a great day.
So is there anything else I do, or is that just my number that I keep for my records?
Yeah, just keep that just so you have a number that so you can prove that you were cleared into Canada.
All right, hey, will you do something for me?
No problem.
It's my first time to Canada. Will you say, welcome to Canada?
Welcome to Canada.
All right, thanks a lot.
No problem, man.
Okay,
Have a good one.
we are here at Creston Airport, just on the border with the US. This is our first point of entry into Canada. We had to land here and then tell the country of Canada that we were here and get permission to be here. But that was a rough flight. We flew into Glacier, and sometimes when I film during turbulence, I get really sick, and that's exactly what happened. So there's a little bit of puking, Made it really hard to film anything from that point on. This is like one of the most picturesque places we've ever landed. So put Creston on your list of places to go if you want tranquility and birds chirping and green grass. Now we're gonna push on over towards Vancouver Island to the west. But we're in Canada and we should be here for the next day or two.
But our flight after Creston is cut short by clouds and visibility.
All right, we've landed after I've been puking endlessly. The wind is just a terror. So we've decided to land and do some sightseeing on foot.
Okay, so we are just here, landed on a mountain logging road in British Columbia, and apparently we have like some tour company coming right through in here, like a ton of Jeeps. Danny's been feeling like crap, throwing up for the last 2 hours. There's a gallon bag filled with brown stuff.
I took care of the puke.
Then we found a medic coming up with a Jeep tour company. And now Danny's gonna get,
I don't know, we're see. We might have just Benadryl, which actually works pretty well.
Benadryl works for.
Yeah.
Sure,
do you think will work?
Oh, I got like actual injection Benadryl.
Okay. I've never received an injection from a stranger. Everything I've eaten today, I've puked, so I'm gonna make myself some top ramen. It has true healing qualities.
Where are we?
I actually don't know. British Columbia somewhere. Right?
That sound right? Why are we here, out of all places?
Yeah, we had to sit down because the wind and the rain had become too much for me, and we were unable to see down the canyon. So we're hoping that when I'm done with this, the visibility will have improved.
Eventually, the clouds lifted enough for us to continue on our way.
Into the wind, slowing me down. Oh, that's gonna be shitty if I have to deal with that. Help me out, Danny, here.
Yeah, you got it.
I got it?
Yep, you're clear. Get past this one. You got visual.
But we don't want this ceiling to drop, and we can't drop quick enough, you know?
I got a little intense there for a moment.
We gotta stop doing shit like that though. Earlier on, the better. I mean, we always knew we had visual, 100%. Turn around.
Now we got visibility.
Yeah, we do.
Matt just landed at this dope spot right next to this alpine lake, and we landed because we realized that we should put a GoPro on the front of this helicopter, turn it into a very large, expensive drone. So I'm gonna get out and I'm gonna mount the GoPro on the front. All right, it's on.
Seeing that?
Oh my gosh. Holy crap, that's amazing. Do direct CYPW.
YTW.
CYPW. What's our distance?
Our distance is 67.
This speed, an hour and a half. I'm kind of getting nervous. Or not totally nervous about a fuel situation, but I can see. Always make sure I'm going the right way, okay? In case I get distracted. And Pal traffic radio check.
Hey, that last call, that was loud and clear.
Okay, copy. How's the weather there? We're just 6.5 to the south. Looks just rainy, but as long as we have visibility, how's it there?
Well, I'm currently just a beam still water tower at 500 feet, and the viz is down to 2-3 miles, I will guess.
Probably close to what we're getting here is 3.
We started down here, and we are all the way up to here. Alaska is right here. We are a heck of a lot closer to Alaska right now than we are home. I mean, a lot closer. We took off, and we had lots of wind, a ton of wind, like more than we wanted. And then Danny got immediately sick this morning. Taking off in Glacier National Park was just like beating us around, so we thought we'd come out here and take this route. And it was nothing like 30, 35 knots, just time and time again. And then every single pass we try to get over, the clouds honestly be like 50 feet through these passes above them. We'd go through, slow the helicopter down, and then dive down through them. And just like looking at the gas, wonder if we're gonna make it, wonder if we're gonna make it with the weather. And then slowly all your other gas options disappear. And then you become like focused on we've gotta make it. And then like 30 miles out, the rain just goes harder and harder and harder and harder till we almost get no visibility. And we come in on final here, and it's just dumping rain. It's freaking dumping rain. If someone said we came in through that, I'd be like, no way. I'm not taking off through that. Here we are, we just did it. I'm just tired. I need to go in and have a break.